Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for South Central Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, Northeastern Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, Western Tipton County in West Tennessee, Northern Shelby County in West Tennessee, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Gilmore, or 9 miles west of Meeman Shelby Forest State Park, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. At 5:22 p.m., spotter confirmed tornado just south of Toro near I-55. In fact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Newington, Meeman Shelby Forest State Park, Munford, Brighton, Dixonville, Tipton, Atoka, Gilmore, Burleson, Garland, Ballettville, Aegis, Griffin Corner, Venetia, Credo, Redwood, Rosemark, Idabel, Lock and Beaver. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a strong shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Crittenden and Mississippi, and the following counties in Tennessee, Shelby and Tipton.